Today we're here to do another get ready with me. As you guys can see, I've already done my eyebrows. I use my Makeup Revolution brackets and my Makeup Revolution concealer in C14. That is what I use. So for today's video, we're going to try the Patricia Bright Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm going for like a one eyeshadow look. I just want to go for like something very simple, something a little bit with colors. You know, we want to play with colors. Something simple but at the same time colorful. I don't know what to go. I want to try this purple, and at the same time I want to try this look, this color here. But I think I'm going for the purple. So I'm going to take this purple shade here. You guys can see it's very pigment. I'm just gonna pull this on my eyes. Ooh, it's a little bit pigment. Take the same brush and I'm just gonna like smooth it on the outer line, just smooth everything. Just gonna take that brush again. I'm just gonna like dab the colors. It's a little bit darker when you apply it on the eyes, but it's okay. It's more lighter in the palette than compared to when you put it on your eyes. On your eyes it's a little bit darker, but I kind of like it. I really do kind of like it. It looks very, very beautiful. So now I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take my Real Technique brush. The brushes that I'm using in this tutorial is more of the Real Technique and AliExpress brushes. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to take a little bit on this brush. You guys can see just a little bit. I'm just going to put it on my crease. And I'm just going to try to blend things out just a little bit. That is what I'm looking for. I'm just going to take that same brush again and I'm just going to blend everything, make sure everything looks smooth. So this is it for the eyes. Very, very simple. Now it's time to jump into the skin. So what I am going to do is I'm going to first use a primer. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution primer. I'm going to use them to prime my face, but as you guys know, I've already used the Makeup Revolution oil control setting spray to spray my face, to set my face, because your girl has some oily combination skin. Down to my neck. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take this Milani liquid illuminator, my brush, just gonna blend that into my skin. So now that we've done that, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a little bit of this Makeup Revolution concealer in C15. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm just gonna try not put it around my mouth before ever I go in with the foundation, only on this side, because I'm not going to color correct. I don't feel like having an orange color corrector on my face right now. So foundation in F15, blend this into the skin. 5, we're going back to business. Everything is going to start, school, work, everything. So yeah, I need to get things done. So I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer. This is in beautiful bronze. I'm going to use this to conceal. Don't want to put this into my eyes. You guys can see the concealer is a little bit darker, but I do not mind, because this is how I like. This is how I like it. Bridge of my nose, my chin, my upper lip, just a little bit. Get the rest on the skin. Make sure you blend everything out. Yeah. So now it's time to blend. I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna blend everything smoothly into the skin. One eyeshadow makeup look is the best look for somebody who is just starting to do makeup. I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution setting powder. This is in Deep Honey. I'm gonna use this one to set. So I feel like when you just start makeup, the one eyeshadow look is absolutely beautiful. It's actually nice. It's simple. There's not a lot of stress. It's very, very simple. Something easy to do. that same dark shade we're going to use for the under eyes. Excuse the first expression, because you know the under eye is very, very sensitive. Just a little bit. We don't want the under eye to be dark. Setting powder. I'm going to use this one to set my face. This is the Makeup Revolution setting powder. So if you guys have been watching my tutorial, you guys know for right now, for the summer, this is the best setting powder for my face, because it is it's dark. It matches me perfectly for the summer. Slick contour kit. So I'm going to take this dark one here. I'm going to use this to contour my nose just a little bit. Just a little bit. Blush. It's been a while since I played with the blush, so I'm going to take this Slick blush. I'm going to use this two. I'm going to mix these two together. You barely can see anything. You barely can see anything. I like to bring my blushes a little bit upwards like this. Take a little bit of this warm color, just a little bit, and blend it together. So now it's time to bronze. Gonna take my favorite. This is the Morphe bronzer, and I'm gonna use this to bronze. So you guys know this is my favorite. That bronzer just bring that warmness into my face, and I just love it. Bring that right underneath my cheek. I feel like we're done. I feel like so now let's jump into the lip. Okay, I'm going to take my Kiko lip liner and this Makeup Revolution lipstick. First, I'm just going to line my lip. And then now we're going to take our lipstick. Just fill it in a little bit. So now it's time to highlight, but first I'm going to take a little bit of this Morphe lip gloss, this purple. I'm just going to add a little bit on top, just on the bottom lip. Yeah, a little bit more. Yes, like that. So now it's time to set highlight. I'm going to use my Sunkissed bronzer because I just love how this bronzer look. It is just so beautiful. But first, before we highlight, I want to take this shimmery shade here from this eyeshadow. It looks shimmery. I want to take this purple here. I want to put this in the inner corner of my eyes. It looks a little bit shimmery. Yes, like that. So you guys can see. I'm just gonna use that as a highlighter for in the inner corner of the eyes. So you don't need to blend it a little bit upwards, do like a swiping motion. So as you guys can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. Just do like a smooth swiping motion so that you get rid of any harsh line right here. So that is it for the eyes. So now let's take my Sun Kiss bronzer. I'm just gonna take that and put it in the tip of my nose, just a little bit. I like to take my finger and just go in, and I took a little bit more on the bridge of my nose like that. Do the same thing with my finger, just to make sure everything blends really smoothly. I've already done my eyebrow. I use the same Sun Kiss bronzer on my eyebrow, so that is good. Now it's time to highlight the cheekbone. Take my brush, just take a little bit, not too much, and I just like to take a little bit and bring it all the way here, just because this is how I like to highlight. Smile and then just get that like that, you know. Same thing here. Take a little bit of the highlighter here and then just smile and just get that. Blend that into the skin smoothly. Take a little bit on my chin like that. So now we're done. Highlighting is done. So now it's time to set the face. I'm going to take my Ellie Gloss setting spray and I'm going to use that to set. So beauties, this is the finished results. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. This is the eyeshadow look. It's very, very beautiful. This is a very beginner friendly makeup. I hope you all like it. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye.